Hello YouTubers, e-bikers, and trucksters. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a demonstration of the display unit on the Troxus Mobility Lynx. It should be very similar to the Troxus Mobility Explorer, which is the 26-inch version of their high-end bikes. It's still pretty cold here in Connecticut, and the roads still have a lot of salt and sand, so we're not going to be doing a lot of riding yet. But let's pull the bike inside and get it out of the glare and take a look at the display unit. If you need to know how to do something exactly, please read your owner's manual. Don't go by what I'm telling you. This is just a demonstration of the basic functions of the controller and the display. Hold the left power button on for 2 to 3 seconds to power up the bike. Push the top plus button to increase the pedal assist. Push the bottom minus button to decrease the pedal assist. Push the right light button to turn on the headlight and the tail light. This will also lower the brightness of the display. Push the center I or information button to cycle between what is shown in the lower right-hand corner of the display unit. Push the center I or information button for 2 or 3 seconds to enter the setup mode. What we're seeing here is speed, but it's not the top speed of the bike. It's the speed of the ring that goes around there. Again, it goes into units, miles per hour versus kilometers per hour. This is the timeout of the bike, currently set to 10 minutes. This is the intensity of the display, set to 5. You can really leave these settings as they are. There's no reason to go in here and mess with them, but I did want to show them to you. Here is a run up to 20 miles an hour with throttle only. It's actually not that loud. Hold down the bottom minus key to enter walk mode. Just use caution here. It does walk at a pretty good pace, about 3 miles an hour. Thank you everyone for watching, and please subscribe. We should have a lot of riding videos coming up shortly.